McAfee, part of Intel Security, proudly presents the Managed Services Installation tutorial for McAfee ePolicy Orchestrator, created in conjunction with Crescent City Cybersecurity. The resources used for this demo are Windows Server 2012, Non-R2, and McAfee ePO 5.1.0. For all hardware requirements, please consult the product guide. This is a fresh install of Windows Server 2012. I'm going to go ahead and type in the password and configure the system for a host name and an IP address. Now that our server has been configured with a proper host name and IP address, let's head on over to McAfee.com and download the ePO software. On McAfee's website, we want to click on For Enterprise, then down below Product Downloads. Here you are typing in your grant number. After you've logged on, you'll see your products listed. Go ahead and copy your ePO license key to Notepad or your clipboard and click on McAfee Reseller Support. Scroll down until you find ePO 5.1.0. Then you can right-click and Save As and save the target to your folder. Once you've downloaded the software, navigate to the location and right-click and extract all the files. When the files have finished extracting, go ahead and navigate to all the extracted files, locate the setup file, and launch it. This setup notification advises me that my system does not have enough RAM installed. ePO 5.1 requires 8 gigs of RAM. For the demonstration, I'm only using 4 gigs of RAM. You should always use the proper amount of RAM specified by the product configuration guide. We're going to choose the Express option, so the installer would install SQL Server Express to be used with this ePO server version. In this window, it notifies you that additional software needs to be installed. This software will be installed automatically when you click on Next. Let's give this a couple of minutes to finish. Now that all the prerequisites have been installed, we can continue with the setup. Right now, it's asking me for a password to the administrator account. In this next prompt, it's asking you to set a password. This password will be used to log on to the ePO web console. Below the password, the next item you need to input is the key store encryption passphrase. This passphrase is used to restore an ePO server. This does disaster recovery procedures. Remember, you need to use at least 8 characters. In this prompt, you'll need to type in the license key that was provided to you from the McAfee software download website. For this product demonstration, I will uncheck this box. Normally, you will keep it checked for your product installation to be automatically downloaded. Go ahead and type in your license key and click on Next. Accept the terms and agreement and click on OK, then click on Install. We're going to give this a couple of minutes to install. Once the Install Shield wizard has completed, go ahead and click on Yes, I want to launch ePO now, and click on Finish. Log on using the account called Admin and the password you set during the installation. On the first logon, you will reach the dashboard called Guided Configuration. You can use this guided configuration to help you get started. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to go to Menu and Server Tasks. In the Server Tasks window, I will download the software product list. When you run this server task, ePO will make a connection to McAfee using your license key. It will download the list of software that's available to you according to your license. It looks like this task is complete. Next, we'll click on Menu, Software Manager, and check for the software that is provisioned to yours. You will notice that McAfee Agent 4.8 is already installed. If we navigate down to Software Not Checked In and click on License, these are the software that are provisioned to your license key. We're going to choose VirusScan 8.8. Looking at the pane below, you'll notice all the software that's available to download. To make this nice and simple, you can click on Check in All. Using the Check in All function, it will download the Install Package and Management extension, the current patch. Let's give it a few minutes. Great! Our software has been downloaded. You can double-check the status by checking the policy catalog. Inside the policy catalog, we should find VirusScan 8.8.0. Now, if you click on Menu Master Repository, you will also see the installed file for VirusScan Enterprise, the package as well as the patch. If you need more software, just go back to the Software Manager, go to License, and download the software that you require. In this case, I will select McAfee HIPS. You might notice that when we choose McAfee HIPS, the packages that are downloaded to the server are the installed package and the Patch 3 package, but the management extension has not been selected. For HIPS, we have to download and install the management extension separately. We will navigate to License under Checked In Software. McAfee Host Intrusion 8.0 will locate a management extension. Click on Download and save it. The McAfee extension has been downloaded to the Downloads folder here. To install the extension, go back to the ePO console, click on Menu, Extensions, install the extension, and browse to the extension file. The server will let you know what it's about to install. When you click on OK, it might take a couple of minutes for the extension to install. We'll give it a moment. Once your extension has been installed, you can check the policy catalog or the policy management site. Here we will see HIPS 8.0 Firewall, 8.0 General, and Host 8.0 IPS. Congratulations! You have just installed McAfee ePO 5.1.0, downloaded the software product list, and installed VirusScan and HIPS. For more information about optimizing your configuration, please contact your Intel Security Channel Manager.